Hello. Welcome back to SKEEM News. If you're new to the channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you stay updated with all the latest SKEEM SAAM latest teasers. Well, do you know things are about to get very dangerous for Khwezi and Nkosi tonight? Well, if you did not know that, make sure that you subscribe and you click on that notification bell on SKEEM News so that you stay updated whenever we release all the latest teasers regarding the SKEEM SAAM. Well, tonight on SKEEM SAAM, the pressure is finally catching up with Peterson. Peterson is now under serious pressure from his bosses as he gets closer to exposing Khwezi and Nkosi, and this time there might be no way out for them as the investigation tightens. The walls are closing in, or let me just say they are slowly closing in. One wrong move could change everything. Meanwhile, drama explodes in the Khomo household after Melita makes a shocking decision to resign from the hospital. This decision doesn't sit well at all, and it creates tension that could tear the relationships, or let me just say relationships, apart. At the same time, Pretty gets an unexpected visit from a childhood friend. For a moment, it seems like things might finally look up for her, but knowing SKEEM SAAM, peace never lasts long. With Peterson closing in, Khwezi and Nkosi are running out of time, and in the Khomo household, emotions are rising and anything could happen next. Do you think Peterson will finally catch Khwezi and Nkosi, and was Melita right to leave the hospital? Comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more SKEEM SAAM updates every day. And this is it from us as SKEEM News. Dango!